I don't get it. I listen, I respond. How is that not communicating?
Because you hear the words, Marcus, but not the meaning. I feel like I'm talking to a wall. If you've ever had a partner say, "You're not hearing me," even when you swear you're listening. And let's unpack why communication misfires happen between two people who care about each other. Love is beautiful. There's a massive difference between hearing and understanding. Most of us fall into the trap of surface listening, where we only hear the literal words but miss the heartbeat behind them. I feel alone when you come home and immediately go to your phone. Marcus, please repeat back what Lina said, but use your own words.
So you want me to be on my phone less? I get it.
You're not mad about the phone. You're hurt because you feel disconnected. Yes, that's exactly it. See that? That's the translation gap. Marcus translated Lina's loneliness into a logistics problem. Most couples aren't fighting about words, they're fighting about the emotion hidden inside the words. Emotion level listening means you identify the feeling, the need, and the request hidden inside the words. Marcus, look at her. She's not mad about the phone. She's hurt because she feels disconnected. Exactly. Try this. When I go straight to my phone, it makes you feel invisible. You need connection. You're asking for 5 minutes of us time first.
I can say that, yeah. So when I go straight to my phone, it makes you feel invisible. You need connection.
And yes, that's exactly it. Remember, to fix this, we use emotion level listening. You're not listening for the complaint. You're listening for the feeling, the need, and the request beneath the words.
Okay, day 1 of emotion level listening. It's harder than Amy made it look. Lina came home stressed about her boss, and my brain immediately went to, just quit, Lina. Or email HR. I literally had to bite my tongue. I took a breath and just asked, that sounds frustrating. Do you feel unappreciated? She didn't get mad. She actually kept talking. So I think it worked.
I'm used to repeating myself 3 times just to get a reaction. Last night I didn't have to. When I told him about work, he didn't try to fix it. He just listened. It felt weird at first, like, why aren't you interrupting me? But then I realized, oh, this is what peace feels like. I felt lighter.
You've seen their patterns. Now, let's look at yours. Welcome to Discovery Time. No judgment, just data. Screenshot these questions and see where you stand.
Are you listening for logistics or for love?
Question 1. When your partner complains about a problem, what is your first instinct? Option A, offer a solution to fix it immediately. Option B, ask them how the situation makes them feel. Question 2, be honest. Can you repeat back the emotions your partner shared yesterday, or just the facts? Option A, just the facts. Option B, I know exactly how they felt. Question 3, do you interrupt to correct details while they are telling a story? Option A, yes, accuracy matters. Option B, no, I let them finish.
My turn. Question 4. How do you feel after talking to your partner about something important? Option A, exhausted, like I talked to a wall. Option B, relieved and lighter. Question 5. When you are upset, do you say I'm sad directly, or do you criticize what they did wrong? Option A, I criticize the action. Option B, I state the feeling. Last one. When was the last time your partner said, that makes sense that you feel that way? Option A, within the last week. Option B, I can't remember. If you answered mostly A, you are stuck in the translation gap. Your mission this week. When your partner speaks, hunt for the feeling, not the fact. Comment I am listening below if you accept the challenge. When your partner feels understood, walls come down. Emotional safety turns communication from a battle into a bridge. Join me next episode as we uncover the hidden forces that make love thrive or fall apart.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe.